Now is your chance to purchase 160 plus or minus acres in Nance County, Nebraska, selling in 2 tracts under unreserved online auction, October 19th. Bidding opens October 5th. Tract 1 is 80 plus or minus acres. This farm is a rolling dryland farm with good access and close to local markets. The farm is planted to corn this season. There is an easement for a pipeline with Summit Carbon Solutions through the farm. Tract 2 is 80 plus or minus acres. This is a combination farm with row crop and pasture ground. The farm is planted to corn this season. There is a building site with a well-maintained home, corral, stock well, steel machine shed, barn, various outbuildings, including grain bins. The house has recently had a new roof put on it and some new siding and gutters. Plan on adding these farms to your operation with the power of BigIron. For more information, contact listing agent Rex Mahoney at 402-649-1816.